if there is a data silos exist, you will always have missing opportunities. And you will always be making less informed decision instead of a smart decision. So you will always going to be working harder than smarter. We as organizations said we need to break the data silos. And what does that mean, data silos? We keep hearing that term, but in reality, every single organization has data silos. It's just impossible not to. And when you grow, so do grow these data silos. When data is not centralized, it basically lives in multiple places. And it makes it difficult for teams to answer even simple questions.
Yes.
There is nothing worse when the patient has to interact with multiple departments and these departments don't know or don't talk to each other. So the patient keeps asking questions over and over again, insurances, appointments, because it's actually the workflow is quite challenging in any medical dental office. So there is more than one point of contact in that once we acquire a customer, so to speak. So that starts with the first phone call, really. And it starts with the first interaction. And sometimes, for example, one part, if EMR does not allow or doesn't accommodate the two-way text messages, it really creates a big bottleneck. So the patient is already pissed off before they even see the doctor. Any successful company needs to start thinking how to break down those data silos. Regardless of the industry, you always, if there is a data silos exist, you will always have missing opportunities. And you will always be making less informed decision instead of a smart decision. So you will always going to be working harder than smarter.
Yeah.
And this was the big strategic breakthrough. Hey, Kyle, how can we really make this whole thing more efficient?
Yeah. No, I completely agree. I think, data quality management is something that is sometimes overlooked, but to your point, there's just benefits in spades, right? If your data is well organized, if it's well structured, then it is easier for your team to find information, which means it's less taxing to do their daily activities, that they're able to function more efficiently with that lower level of effort, right? I think that's something sometimes that's kind of missed, right? It's like, they can figure it out, they can get through the data, but does it require 120% of the effort I could give if it was well structured? And what could I do with that other 20% over here in this other area?
Exactly, and they're busy every day with their own core tasks, right? So all of a sudden, if you push extra tasks in there or extra thinking component, it becomes very taxing on the team and you exhaust the team very quickly.
Exactly.